If you're trying to cut sugar and carbs without living on bland, boring meals, this list is for you. Some of the most satisfying foods on Earth naturally contain almost no carbohydrate and no sugar at all. Better yet, many are packed with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that can help you stay full, protect muscle, and build meals that are much easier to control. But there's one important rule before we begin. Preparation matters. A naturally carb-free food can quickly turn into a high-sugar meal when it is breaded, glazed, sweetened, or covered in bottled sauce. So throughout this video, we're talking about plain, minimally processed versions. Always check the label too, because marinades, seasonings, and processed meats can hide sugars you would never expect. And stay until the end, because several foods on this list do much more than simply remove carbs. Some deliver omega-3 fats for heart health, others provide iron and vitamin B12, and several give you complete protein that supports muscle and recovery. Whether your goal is better blood sugar control, fewer cravings, or simply cleaner meals, these 14 foods deserve a place on your radar. Heart-friendly fats, complete protein, zero sugar. Plain salmon is naturally free of carbohydrates while delivering high-quality protein and valuable omega-3 fats. That combination makes it especially useful when you want a meal that feels satisfying without relying on bread, pasta, or sweet sauces. Grill, bake, or air-fry it with herbs, lemon, pepper, and a little salt for a simple, nutrient-dense main dish. Salmon is best known for EPA and DHA, two long-chain omega-3 fats that support normal heart and brain function. It also provides vitamin B12, selenium, and vitamin D, nutrients that can be harder to get in meaningful amounts from many other foods. Its protein helps support muscle maintenance, while the fat and protein together tend to make a meal more filling than a refined carb snack. To keep salmon truly low in carbs and sugar, watch the toppings: honey glaze, teriyaki sauce, maple marinades, and sugary barbecue sauces can completely change the nutrition profile. Instead, use garlic, dill, paprika, lemon juice, mustard without added sugar, or fresh herbs. Pair it with non-starchy vegetables or a crisp salad for a balanced meal that keeps added sugar out of the picture. Lean, protein-packed, and naturally carb-free. Plain tuna gives you a large amount of protein with essentially no sugar or carbohydrate, making it an easy choice for quick lunches and high-protein meals. Fresh tuna steaks work beautifully grilled, while canned tuna can be convenient when you need something fast. Choose varieties packed in water or olive oil and check the ingredient list for added sauces. Tuna provides complete protein along with vitamin B12, selenium, and other micronutrients involved in energy metabolism and normal cell function. Because it is relatively lean, especially when packed in water, it can help you raise protein intake without adding a large amount of calories. That can be useful when your goal is to preserve muscle while controlling overall energy intake and keeping meals simple. There is one smart caution with tuna. Different species contain different amounts of mercury. You do not need to avoid tuna completely, but variety matters. Rotate it with salmon, sardines, cod, and other seafood, rather than making large tuna portions your only fish every day. And skip sweet relish or sugary dressings. Mix it with olive oil, lemon herbs, or plain Greek-style seasonings instead. Small fish, huge nutrition, almost no carbs. Plain sardines are naturally sugar-free and carb-free while packing protein and omega-3 fats into a very small serving. They are also one of the easiest fish to keep in the pantry, which makes them useful when you need a fast meal without cooking. Choose sardines packed in water or olive oil and avoid versions in sweetened tomato or flavored sauces. One reason sardines stand out is that you often eat their soft, edible bones, which can provide a meaningful amount of calcium. They also supply vitamin B12, selenium, protein, and omega-3 fats. Because sardines are small and lower on the food chain, they generally accumulate less mercury than many larger predatory fish, making them a useful seafood option to rotate into your weekly meals. Try sardines over leafy greens with cucumber, herbs, lemon, and extra virgin olive oil, or eat them alongside roasted, non-starchy vegetables. Their strong flavor means you do not need sugary sauces to make them interesting. If you are new to sardines, start with a mild variety packed in olive oil. The result is a quick, savory meal that brings protein, healthy fats, and minerals without a carb-heavy base. Light, lean, and nearly pure protein. Plain cod contains virtually no carbohydrate or sugar and gives you a mild-tasting source of complete protein. Because it is much leaner than salmon, it works well when you want a lighter meal while still getting enough protein to feel satisfied. Bake it with garlic, lemon, herbs, and olive oil, or grill it until just flaky for a simple dinner with minimal ingredients. Cod provides vitamin B12, selenium, phosphorus, and iodine, depending on the species and source. Iodine is especially important because the body uses it to make thyroid hormones that help regulate normal metabolism. Cod is not a magical metabolism booster, but it can contribute useful nutrients within a balanced diet. Its high protein-to-calorie ratio also makes it convenient for people trying to manage portions. The biggest mistake with cod is turning a naturally lean fish into a carb-heavy meal through breading, batter, or sweet sauces. Fried fish in a thick coating is very different from plain baked cod. Keep the preparation simple and let herbs, spices, citrus, capers, or olive oil provide the flavor. Pair it with broccoli, zucchini, asparagus, or salad for a filling plate without added sugar. Lean, versatile, high-protein fuel. Plain chicken breast contains no meaningful carbohydrate or sugar, yet it delivers a large dose of complete protein that can anchor almost any meal. It is especially useful when you want to build a filling plate without adding many calories from fat. Grill, roast, poach, or air fry it, then change the flavor with herbs and spices instead of sugary marinades. Chicken breast is rich in protein and provides nutrients such as niacin, vitamin B6, phosphorus, and selenium. Protein is important for maintaining and repairing muscle, and it also tends to be more satiating than highly refined carbohydrate foods. That does not mean chicken automatically causes fat loss, but replacing a sugary, ultra-processed meal with a protein-centered plate can make calorie control much easier. Be careful with restaurant and packaged chicken. Barbecue chicken, sticky wings, breaded cutlets, and pre-marinated strips may contain flour, starch, syrup, or added sugar, even when the meat itself contains none. Buy plain chicken when possible, and season it yourself with paprika, cumin, garlic, black pepper, rosemary, or chili. You control the ingredients, the flavor stays strong, and the carbs stay extremely low. Lean protein, mild flavor, zero added sugar when plain. Fresh turkey breast is naturally very low in carbohydrate and contains no meaningful sugar, making it another strong choice for protein-focused meals. It is easy to roast in batches and use for several days in salads, lettuce wraps, or vegetable bowls. The key is choosing fresh, unprocessed turkey rather than sweetened deli slices or glazed holiday versions. Turkey breast provides complete protein along with vitamin B6, niacin, selenium, phosphorus, and other nutrients involved in normal energy production and tissue maintenance. Because skinless breast meat is relatively lean, it can deliver substantial protein without a large amount of fat. That can be helpful when you want a satisfying meal while keeping total calories appropriate for your personal goals. Processed turkey is where hidden ingredients often appear. Deli meat can contain dextrose, starches, flavoring agents, or more sodium than you expect, while glazed turkey may be coated with honey or brown sugar. Read the ingredient list carefully. Better yet, roast plain turkey breast at home with garlic, thyme, black pepper, and olive oil, then slice it yourself for a cleaner, more predictable option. Iron-rich, satisfying, and naturally carb-free. Plain, unbreaded beef contains essentially no carbohydrate or sugar, while providing complete protein and several important micronutrients. Cuts such as sirloin, tenderloin, or lean ground beef can fit into a balanced diet when portions are sensible. Cook it with herbs, spices, mushrooms, or vegetables, rather than relying on sugary steak sauces and bottled marinades. Beef is particularly valuable for heme iron, a form of iron that the body generally absorbs more readily than non-heme iron from plants. It also supplies vitamin B12, zinc, selenium, and creatine, along with high-quality protein. These nutrients contribute to normal red blood cell formation, immune function, and muscle performance. Choosing leaner cuts can help limit saturated fat while preserving most of these benefits. How you cook and portion beef matters. You do not need an oversized steak at every meal, and heavily processed meats are not the same as a fresh cut of beef. Choose minimally processed cuts more often, trim excess visible fat if desired, and avoid charring the meat. Pair a moderate portion with vegetables, salad, or cauliflower rather than fries and sugary sauces to keep the overall meal low in refined carbs. Rich flavor, complete protein, and no natural sugar. Plain lamb is naturally free of carbohydrate and provides a satisfying combination of protein and fat. Because its flavor is already strong, you can create a delicious meal with rosemary, garlic, cumin, mint, lemon, or black pepper without needing sweet glazes. Leaner cuts and sensible portions can make lamb an occasional, nutrient-dense addition to a balanced eating pattern. Lamb provides vitamin B12, zinc, selenium, iron, and complete protein. Like beef, it contains heme-iron, which can contribute to meeting iron needs, and zinc supports normal immune function and many enzyme reactions in the body. The protein helps maintain muscle and can make meals more filling. Lamb can vary greatly in fat content, so the cut you choose has a meaningful effect on total calories and saturated fat. For a lower carb plate, skip sweet mint jelly, sugary marinades, and bread-based sides. Roast or grill lamb with herbs, then serve it with roasted eggplant, zucchini, cauliflower, leafy greens, or a fresh cucumber salad. If you are watching saturated fat, choose leaner cuts and keep portions moderate. The goal is not to eat unlimited meat. It is to use simple, nutrient-dense foods in a balanced overall diet. Deep flavor, protein-rich, and naturally carb-free when plain. Duck breast contains essentially no carbohydrate or sugar before sauces or glazes are added. It is richer in fat than chicken or turkey breast, so a smaller serving can still feel satisfying. Cook it simply with salt, pepper, herbs, and perhaps a tart citrus accent, but avoid sweet orange sauces or sticky reductions if your goal is to keep sugar very low. Duck provides complete protein along with iron, selenium, phosphorus, and several B vitamins. The exact fat content changes dramatically depending on whether you eat the skin, so preparation matters. Removing some or all of the skin can reduce the calorie and saturated fat load while keeping the protein. This makes duck a good example of why carb-free does not automatically mean eat without limits. If you enjoy duck, treat it as a flavorful protein rather than a free food. Roast or pan-sear it carefully, drain excess rendered fat if desired, and pair it with non-starchy vegetables. Avoid commercial plum sauce, hoisin, sweet chili sauce, and honey glazes, which can add a large amount of sugar to an otherwise carb-free protein. Simple seasoning lets the meat provide the richness without turning the dish into dessert. Complete protein, highly versatile, and virtually carb-free. A plain egg contains less than 1 gram of carbohydrate and only a trace amount of natural sugar, so it is not literally zero carb, but it comes very close. Eggs are easy to build into breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and their combination of protein and fat can make a meal satisfying without cereal, toast, or sweetened breakfast foods. Eggs provide high-quality protein plus choline, vitamin B12, selenium, riboflavin, and varying amounts of vitamin D. Choline is especially important for cell membranes and normal nervous system function. The yolk contains many of the egg's micronutrients, while the white supplies additional protein. For most people, eggs can be part of a healthy eating pattern, although individual medical advice may differ. Keep the preparation working in your favor. Boiled, poached, scrambled, or baked eggs can stay extremely low in carbohydrates, but sugary ketchup, sweet sauces, hash browns, and refined bread change the meal quickly. Try eggs with spinach, mushrooms, herbs, avocado, or a side salad instead. And remember, if a video promises zero carbs, eggs are better described as virtually carb-free rather than perfectly zero. Lean seafood, fast cooking, and almost no carbs. Plain shrimp contains very little carbohydrate and no meaningful sugar, while giving you plenty of protein for relatively few calories. It cooks in minutes, which makes it useful for quick meals when you might otherwise reach for processed food. Sauté it with garlic, chili, lemon, and olive oil, or grill it on skewers with vegetables for an easy high-protein dinner. Shrimp provides selenium, vitamin B12, iodine, phosphorus, and complete protein. It also contains some omega-3 fats, although generally less than fatty fish such as salmon or sardines. Shrimp is naturally higher in dietary cholesterol than many other seafood choices, but dietary cholesterol does not affect everyone's blood cholesterol in the same way. Your overall eating pattern remains more important than one food. Watch out for breaded shrimp, coconut shrimp, sweet chili sauce, and bottled cocktail sauce, all of which can add significant carbohydrate or sugar. Plain shrimp itself is very low in carbs, but preparation can transform it quickly. Choose grilled, boiled, or sautéed shrimp, and flavor it with herbs, garlic, lemon, paprika, or unsweetened spices. That keeps the meal simple while preserving the protein advantage. Zero carbs, zero sugar, and rich in unsaturated fat. Extra virgin olive oil contains no carbohydrate or sugar because it is essentially pure fat. It is one of the easiest ways to add flavor and richness to vegetables, fish, salads, and lean proteins without introducing sweeteners. A small drizzle can make simple food much more satisfying, but remember that oils are calorie-dense, so portion size still matters. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fat and contains a range of polyphenol compounds. Diets that use olive oil as a primary fat source, particularly Mediterranean-style eating patterns, are strongly associated with cardiovascular benefits. The advantage comes from the overall pattern, not from drinking oil by the spoonful. Use it to replace less favorable fats and to make whole foods more enjoyable. Choose genuine extra virgin olive oil. Store it away from heat and light, and use it in reasonable amounts. Drizzle it over salad, roasted vegetables, fish, or grilled chicken, or mix it with lemon and herbs for a simple dressing. Avoid assuming that zero carb means zero consequence. 1 tablespoon contains roughly 120 calories. It is a healthy fat, but energy still counts when weight management is your goal. Carb-free, sugar-free, and useful for high-heat cooking. Avocado oil is another pure fat, so it naturally contains no carbohydrate or sugar. Its mild flavor makes it easy to use for roasting, sautéing, grilling, or homemade dressings when you do not want the stronger taste of olive oil. It can help keep meals flavorful without adding sweet sauces, but like every cooking oil, it is highly concentrated in calories. Avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fat, particularly oleic acid, the same major fatty acid found in olive oil. Replacing some saturated fats with unsaturated fats is generally considered more supportive of cardiovascular health. Still, the oil is not identical to whole avocado. It does not provide the fiber and broader mix of nutrients found in the fruit. Think of it primarily as a cooking fat, not a complete food. Use avocado oil strategically rather than pouring it freely. A measured teaspoon or tablespoon can be enough to roast vegetables, sear fish, or coat a pan. Look for reputable brands and store the bottle according to its label to protect quality. When your goal is no added sugar, homemade dressings made with avocado oil, vinegar, herbs, mustard, and spices can be a much better option than many sweet bottled dressings. Rich, simple, and essentially carb-free. Ghee is clarified butter with most of the water and milk solids removed, leaving predominantly milk fat. As a result, plain ghee typically contains essentially no carbohydrate or sugar. Its nutty flavor works well with eggs, vegetables, fish, and meat, and it has a higher smoke point than regular butter. Still, it is calorie-dense and high in saturated fat, so moderation matters. Ghee contains mostly fat, including a substantial proportion of saturated fat. While it can fit into a balanced diet, it does not deserve a health halo simply because it contains no carbs. Current nutrition guidance generally favors replacing some saturated fat with unsaturated fats, such as olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fish. So think of ghee as a flavorful cooking option to use selectively rather than your only source of dietary fat. The smartest way to use ghee is for flavor. A small amount in a pan, a light coating on roasted vegetables, or a measured spoon in a savory dish. Avoid versions mixed with flavorings or sweeteners, and check the label if you are buying a specialty product. Used alongside plenty of vegetables, quality proteins, and more unsaturated fats, ghee can add variety without adding sugar or carbohydrate to the meal. If there is one lesson to take from this list, it is that cutting sugar and refined carbs does not mean you have to survive on tiny portions or flavorless food. Protein-rich fish, poultry, meat, eggs, and carefully chosen fats can create deeply satisfying meals with little or no carbohydrate. The real difference comes from choosing plain foods more often and controlling the sauces, coatings, and extras. At the same time, do not judge a food only by whether it contains carbs. Vegetables, berries, beans, and other whole foods can contain carbohydrates and still provide valuable fiber, vitamins, minerals, and protective plant compounds. No carb is a useful tool for certain meals, not a definition of healthy eating. The best diet is one you can sustain while meeting your nutritional needs and supporting your goals. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Healthy Grams, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next practical health guide. Then tell me in the comments, which of these 14 foods do you eat most often, and which one are you adding to your next grocery list? Share this video with someone trying to reduce sugar and carbs, and I'll see you in the next Healthy Grams video.